Vehicle service has been a staple of nearly every retail tire dealership for years. Heck, I'm sure you have a few vehicles up on your lifts as you're watching this right now. Dealers like you provide vehicle service, but is vehicle service providing as much profit for you as it possibly can? Let's talk about 3 ways that you can increase service profits in your shop. There are a lot of ways for dealers like you to increase your vehicle service profits, and I don't mean simply raising your service rates. One way is to diagnose and repair the financial side of service. Making a profit on vehicle service isn't as easy as replacing a CV joint or fixing a dragging brake. Instead, to make a good profit, you have to think about how much profit you want to make and how you want to arrive at that number. Making a profit should be a planned effort, and to do that, our first tip is to have a complete understanding of your dealership's financial situation. One way to do this is by remembering that profit is not a dirty word. Quality dealers like you have a product to offer, and your customers should know and understand that. If you're not in business to make a profit, why bother? Want to make sure you make a profit every time? Quality work done right the first time is the key to that. This saves everyone involved when it comes to added time and money associated with a comeback. The second tip is to have a functional shop design that speeds work and keeps bays productive. The layout of your shop may not even come to your mind when you think of ways to increase profitability. However, a specialized layout of your shop can help to minimize wasted time and make service bays more profitable. The faster you get customers out, the more you can take in profit-wise. When figuring out the best layout for your shop, think about providing a good traffic flow for vehicles, allocating space correctly, and avoiding overstocking. Our third tip is to sell seasonal service. What better time to do a full vehicle checkup than during the fall or winter and spring or summer seasons? Your customers may think seasonal service checks aren't important to them. That may be true at the time, but what do they do if a component fails? For this reason, dealers like you need to explain the value of seasonal maintenance as a way of preventing larger problems from cropping up down the road. Nobody wants to be stranded in a winter storm or in the cold. Explain this to your customers. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. See you next time.